Hello everyone, welcome to Amya channel. I'm Khushbu Chaurasia, and today we are going to do module number 3, that is pair of linear equation in two variables. Very shortcut method I have brought so that you can be able to solve questions in no time. We are going to discuss some questions today. One most important thing here is, if you like my channel, please subscribe the channel, and please share the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So we'll start the class without wasting time. So first one is this question. Means now what we are going to learn today is how to find the value of x and y. See, in the question for 2 to 3 marks, these type of questions will be coming. How to solve these questions? कैसे solve करें इन questions को? Just give me a second. Okay, fine. So question is 1 by 2x minus 1 by y equal to minus 1. Take it as equation 1. See, in many books and all, you might be seeing that 1 by x they are taking as u or v. I'll tell you one very shortcut method. See, 1 by x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 8. Take it as equation 2. So now how to solve this question? The most and the simplest way of solving is multiply equation 1 by 1 by 2. So multiplying equation 1 by 1 by 2 and adding it to equation 2. Now why I have done this, one moment you will be able to know. Just 1 by 2x, I have multiplied it with 1 by 2, then minus y will be equal to minus 1 into 1 by 2. So this one will become 1 by 4 x minus 1 by 2y equal to minus 1 by 2. Now you see equation 1 and you see equation 2, something is common. Can you see that common thing? Minus 1 by 2y, here also, here 1 by 2y. So now I'll write this one below this. So it is 1 by 2y equal to 8. So now this is minus, this is plus, cancelled. So 1 by 4x plus 1 by x equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 8. So take out 1 by x and solve this one. So 1 by 4 plus 1 equal to minus 1 plus, take LCM, cross multiplication, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 2 into 8 is 16 by 2. So here 1 by x, this one will become, again take LCM, 4 plus 1, 5 by 4 equal to 15 by 2. So shift this 2 and this one. So 5 by 4 into 2 by 15 equal to x, because what I have done here is 1 by x, 5 by 4 is there. So if I will shift this x this side, this x this side, so it will become x, and here this 2 will go up and 15 will go down. So now 5 3s are 15 and 2. So now what I'm getting is x is equal to 1 by 6. Now substituting this value of x, substituting x is equal to 1 by 6 in equation 1. So why we are substituting the value of x? To get the value of y. So here x is equal to 1 by 6 is there, sorry. So once x is equal to 1 by 6 is there, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 6 minus 1 by y equal to minus 1. So here 3, this 3 will go up, minus 1 by y equal to minus 1. So now this 3 will go this side, it will become minus 1 by y equal to minus 1 minus 3. So minus 1 by y is equal to minus 4. Cancel this one. So y is equal to 1 by 4. So now here x value you are getting 1 by 6 and y value you are getting 1 by 4. So see, it is totally up to your wish what value you are going to take. 1 by x you can put as, sorry, 1 by x you can take it as Here 1 by x, you can take it as u also or v also. So if you will take it as u, then it will become u by 2 minus v equal to minus 1, or u plus 1 by 2 v equal to 8. So if you will be taking like that, it will come like this. So but here directly if you can do, it will save your time, and it's not wrong also. Okay, so here you have got x, you are getting the value of x which is not equal to 0, and y value is also not equal to 0. So let's go to the next question. So next question is again like the same, 2 by root under x plus 3 by root under y is equal to 2. Take it as equation 1. Now 4 by root under x minus 9 by root under y is equal to minus 1. 100% you know what you have to do now, because here in equation 1 3 is there, in equation 2 minus 9 is there. So if we will multiply equation 1 by 3 and we will add it to equation 2, our work will become over. So what we will do, we will write multiplying equation 1 by 3 and adding it to equation 2. So equation 1 will be multiplied, so it will become 6 by root x plus 9 by root y equal to 3 to the 6, and here down it will become 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. So definitely these two will be, so I'll write it here for cancelling. 6 by root x plus 9 by root y equal to 6, and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. It will get cancelled. So this one will become 6 by root x plus 4 by root x is equal to 5. So this one will become, base is same, so 6 plus 4, 10 by root x is equal to 5. So definitely 10 by root x is equal to 5. So 10 by 5 is equal to root x. So definitely this will come to. Now squaring both sides. Once you will square both sides, squaring both sides, this one will become 2 square and this one will become root x whole square. So root x whole square will become x and this one will become 4. So now you got x value as 4. So now substitute value of x. Substituting value of x is equal to 4 in equation 1. So 2 by root under 4 plus 3 by root under y is equal to 2. So 2 by 2 plus 3 by root under y is equal to 2. So this and this will get cancelled. So here now 1 is coming. So 3 by root under y is equal to 2 minus 1. So 3 by root under y is equal to 1. So 3 is equal to root under 5 y. So squaring both sides. So once you will square both sides, now again 3 square is equal to root under y whole square. So 9 will be equal to y. So now you got value of x as 4 and value of y as 9. So shortcut method, this one, instead of taking it as u and v and making the things complicated, I think multiplying and doing by this method is much easier. Okay. So now next question. See, you will itself gain the confidence. Now this question already, this is bit like a different question, 1 plus x by y. Now it is totally up to you if you want to change it or keep it, but I will prefer the easiest method. Equation 1. Now here 15 by x plus y plus 7 by x minus y equal to 10 is there. Equation 2. So what you are going to do? First, we will multiply equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 2, because here minus and plus is there, and then we will add. So multiplying equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 2 and adding. So let's see what we are going to do. 7 5s are 35 x plus y minus 14 by x minus y equal to -1. And now next one is 2 we are going to multiply. So 30 by x plus y plus 14 by x minus y. Here it will become, because 7 is multiplied, so -7. Here it will become 20. So now see, these 2 will get cancelled. So 35 by x plus y plus 30 by x plus y equal to 20 minus 7. So if you are going to subtract 20 minus 7, what you are going to get? Because here 7 is there and here 10 is there, so it will become 13, because 20 minus 7 is 13. So now what you are going to get? 65 x plus y is equal to 13. So 65 by 13 is equal to x plus 5. So 13 ones are 13, 13 fives are 65. So x plus y is equal to 5 is coming. Substitute x plus y in equation 1. Trust me, substitute x plus y value in equation 1, right? Substituting, take it as equation 3. Substituting x plus y is equal to 5 in equation 1. So what you are going to get? 5 by 5 minus 2 by x minus y equal to -1. Cancelled. So -2 by x minus 1, 1 minus this much equal to -1. So this one will shift that side. It will become -2 by x minus y equal to -2. So what we will do? Minus this side cancel. So 2 by 2 equal to x minus y. Cancel. So x minus y is equal to 1. Take it as equation 4. Now add equation 1, adding equation 3 and 4. What you will get? X plus y is equal to 5. X minus 5, y is equal to 1. Cancel. 2x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 3. Substituting x is equal to 3 in equation 3. So 3 plus y is equal to 5. So y is coming as 2. So finally you got x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 as answer. Very less multiplication, addition. Only you have to do what? Take it as separate one and you know how to cancel this one. आप बहुत आसानी से इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हो. अगर यूवी मेथड लोगे तो उसको फिर से उस तरह से भी लेके भी आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो. यहाँ मैंने डायरेक्टली सॉल्व किया है ताकि मैं टाइम सेव कर सकूं. ओके, और ये मेथड भी 100% करेक्ट है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है. ये मैंने आपके लिए छोड़ रखा है कि आप इसको खुद सॉल्व करो, कोशिश करो इसको सॉल्व करने का. इफ यू विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट, आई थिंक अगर आप खुद से कोशिश करोगे इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व, तो इस पैटर्न के सारे क्वेश्चंस आप खुद से सॉल्व कर पाओगे. यहाँ पे दिस पैटर्न ऑल क्वेश्चंस. सो आई थिंक यू नो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. इफ यू आर टेकिंग इट एज इक्वेशन 1 and taking it as equation 2, you have to multiply equation 2 by 3. then this 2 will get cancelled and I think you will be able to find the value of x and y. खुद से जब तक try नहीं करोगे solve नहीं कर पाओगे. So what you have to do is keep trying, keep solving, then only you will learn how to solve. So we will again meet. I'll again send module 4 in that age related or upstream downstream both related questions. उन सब questions को किस तरह से solve करना है मैं उसका वीडियो बना करके आपको भेजती हूँ. Bye till now.